bench light buzzing, plastic shell cracked wide, tiny gravel scars on the chassis on my pride. Strip screw, bent arm, tire wobbling on the rim, laid out on this mat, every flaw, every whim. Broken gears in a shallow tray, dust and dirt from the last hard day. Yeah, I used to curse every stall, every spin out. Now I breathe, lay the tools out. Back to the track, piece by piece I bring you back. From every crash I'm learning where the fault lines cracked. Broken teeth, loose wire, turn the setbacks into fire. Slow and steady I react, till we're humming back to the track. Solar tip glowing, tiny river made of tin, tracing silver paths for the current to begin. Shims for the diff, feel the drag, then feel it fade. Measuring the play and the choices that I made. Hey, handshake once and settle in. Turn the wrench till the thread slide clean.
Every slip is a map of where I've been. Every scar says try that step again. Every slip is a map of where I've been.
Every scar says try that step again. Tore it down to the last small pin. Found my patience buried deep within. I fail, I fix, I fail, I learn. Feel the wheels start to turn. Hear that hum, soft at first, then strong. Tiny heart that's been silent too long. I'm not afraid of the parts that fall apart. Building this car, I'm rebuilding my heart. Back to the track, piece by piece I bring you back. From every crash I'm learning where the fall lines crack. Broken teeth, loose wire, I turn the setbacks into fire. Slow and steady I react, till we're humming back to the track.
Everything is a map of where I've been. Every scar says try that step again. Everything is a map of where I've been.